In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header of your Weebly website. Whether you're looking to personalize your site with your own branding, adjust the navigation settings, or simply want a change of style, I'll guide you through each step to make your header perfect for your needs. First, let's start by accessing the Weebly site editor. Open your browser and head over to the Weebly editor link. Once you're there, you'll have access to all the tools and options necessary to customize your website effectively. The interface you see is user-friendly, allowing anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to make adjustments easily. Now let's focus on your site title. Click on it. You have the option to change this into a text format, which means you can type in your new title right there, or transform it into a logo. If you choose the logo option, make sure your logo is the right size so it looks great in your header. Alternatively, if you prefer a minimalist look, you can turn the title off entirely. Play around with these settings and see what fits your brand aesthetics best. Next, let's organize your site's navigation and improve usability by adjusting how the pages are displayed. Click on the Pages tab. You'll see a list of all your website's pages here. To create a drop-down menu, simply drag one of your pages slightly to the right under another page. This action will nest it, forming a drop-down when visitors hover over that main page in your header. Drop-down menus are a great tool for organizing information and improving user navigation. The next step is all about style. Click on the Theme tab in the editor. Here, you can radically change the look of your site by selecting Change Theme. You'll be presented with a variety of design templates to choose from. Each theme offers its own unique layout, color scheme, and style elements. Go through the themes available and find one that aligns with your brand and the message you want your site to convey. Remember, the theme you choose will affect more than just your header, so pick one that enhances your overall website feel and functionality. So that's it. Adjusting and customizing your Weebly site header is a straightforward process. With just a few clicks, you can transform it to better reflect your brand, enhance navigation, and update your site's look. Make sure to spend some time exploring all the options available in the Weebly editor to fully capitalize on its customization potential. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope your new header turns out just as you envisioned. Be sure to check out other tutorials to help grow and polish your online presence.